Which synonym belongs to sublime? The correct answer is sublimate. Which synonym belongs to overt? The correct answer is patent. Which synonym belongs to ennui? The correct answer is Weltschmerz. Which synonym belongs to expose? The correct answer is naked. Which synonym belongs to earmark? The correct answer is appropriate. Which synonym belongs to seer? The correct answer is seer. Which synonym belongs to torpid? The correct answer is latent. Which synonym belongs to oscillate? The correct answer is vacillate. Which synonym belongs to forward? The correct answer is predicted. Which synonym belongs to vantage? The correct answer is benefit. Which synonym belongs to convivial? The correct answer is jovial. Which synonym belongs to penance? The correct answer is penitence. Which synonym belongs to desultory? The correct answer is disconnected. Which synonym belongs to fantastic? The correct answer is unrealistic. Which synonym belongs to admonish? The correct answer is reprimand. Which synonym belongs to endearment? The correct answer is term of endearment. Which synonym belongs to incongruity? The correct answer is discrepancy. Which synonym belongs to betray? The correct answer is sell. Which synonym belongs to apogee? The correct answer is climax. Which synonym belongs to complicity? The correct answer is complicitousness.